Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Computer Masti with Ganga. Today in this video we are going to make one new game, that is ARKANOID game. So let's get started. So first of all, open Scratch software. So for this project we need few things like a ball, then we need a paddle, so go down. Yes, here is a paddle. Then you have to set the position of these sprites, this ball and this paddle. Then we need one more thing, that is a red line. Yes, so we need to take a red line. Yes, before that I am taking this button. Okay, this button I have taken. You can see this button. Now I am resizing this button. Yes, I have changed the size of this button. Now okay, yes, here it is. Now the next thing, that is end line, that is a red line. Here it is. Okay, you have to set it down. Okay, at the bottom we have to set here. Now go to stage and change the background. Yes, background, so you can choose any background from here. These are the different categories. Yes, I have taken this one, stars. Yes, this is the initial background. Okay, when we start this program, this background will appear. Now first of all we will move this ball, okay, up and down. So use this green flag from events block, then go to motion. From here we have to take go to, because we need to set the initial position of this ball. Okay, so this is the starting point. Now after this we are going to start this program using a space bar. So here I have used space bar key. So when space bar key pressed, then we need to move 5 steps, and then I am taking F1 as bounce. Okay, then give it to the biggest chocolate, that is forever. Okay, now see, when we click on the green flag it is moving. Okay, first step done. Now after this, see, okay, now we need to move this ball up and down, not left and right. So for this we need to give few conditions. So go to events and use this if conditional loop. If touching this paddle, this green paddle, if this ball will touch this paddle, so we need to go to, yes, we need to point in direction. So go to operators, and from here pick random. Yes, pick random option and just stick into this script. So here we have to change, like when this ball will touch this paddle, now this green paddle, it will move just like this. You can see here. Yes, so we can take, yes, this one for the right hand side and this is for the left hand side. So just mark -72 plus 70 degree. Okay, just we are giving this random degrees, so it will point in direction -70 to 70. Yeah, it will pick the random. Now stick into this loop, forever loop. Now see, okay, now next thing, you can change the speed of this ball from here. You can see I have taken this 15 steps. Okay, now it is, when this ball is touching this paddle, it is moving to the opposite direction. Okay, now next one. Now again point in direction. So again you have to take this conditional loop, that is if, yes, if this will touch, We have taken this from the sensing block palette. Okay, so now this is for this buttons. Okay, we have taken for the paddle. Now if this ball will touch this buttons, you can see the on the top that that is one button. So if this ball will touch that button, so it will again point in direction. Okay, you have to change the direction of this ball. If it will touch that button, it will move to the opposite direction. So again we have taken this condition. Okay, here we need to change mouse pointer to button, so we will do it later. Okay, okay, now this paddle. Okay, we need to move this paddle. So for this, go to events block. From here again we need to set the position of this paddle. Okay, so here we have taken go to script, we have taken here, as you can see. Now after this, yes, when spacebar key pressed, we need to move this paddle towards the left and right direction. Okay, so we have taken this condition if, then if key pressed. Which key pressed? If we press left arrow. Okay, we can see 4 arrows are on the computer keyboard. So if we press this left arrow, that means it will move towards our left hand side, that is, okay, yes, -10, change x by -10. But if we go towards the right hand side, it will take +10. Yes, change x by +10. Okay, then give it to the biggest chocolate in the world, that is forever. That means it will move automatically. Yes, until and unless we'll stop this program, it will move automatically. Okay, done. Now, yes, okay, now the next one, we have to set this ball as a front layer. So click on this, go to looks block and click on this, go to front layer. Okay, done. Now as you can see, this paddle is also moving. We are using left and right arrow key to move this program, to move this paddle. Okay, next one, that is button. Okay, we have to write script for this button also. So yes, now here we need few more buttons. Like here we have taken only one button, so we need to take at least 50 buttons. Okay, 10 in each row and 5 columns we will take. So first of all, set the position of this button, you can see here. Then go to events and yeah, go to control block, and from here we need to take repeat. Here we have taken repeat 10. Why we have taken 10? Because we need 10 buttons in the first row. Yes, okay, yes, and you have to take this clone myself script. Okay, yes, create clone of myself. Now then you have to change the position of x, so it will move towards the right hand side. You can see here. Yeah, okay, so now in the first row you can see 10 buttons, because we have taken here repeat 10. You can set the size of these buttons from this downside. You can see here size option. Okay, yes, now we need to take this button downside also. So for this we have to set the value of x. Okay, so you have to set the value of x as a -204. This is the starting point. Okay, here just downside. Yeah, so now we need to take change y by. Here we not to take set y, we will take change y by. We will take change y by. You can see here I have taken set y, that's why it is, this button is coming down. So we will take change y. Yes, so now you can see we need 4 columns, so that's why I have taken this 5. This is not working properly because we have taken here set y. Yes, set y, that is why it is not working. So we need to take this change y by, yes, now here I have taken change y by -30, so it will take, now see, yes, now it is looking. Now the last one, you can see this one we need to hide, so go to looks block and from there use this hide script. Now see, when we click on the green flag, yay, last one, we have removed that. Okay, it is hidden now. Now when we click on the green flag, we need to show these blocks also. Okay, so go to looks and just below this go to option we need to show. Yes, done. Wow, perfect. Okay, now go to costume and make the duplicate of these buttons. Okay, at least 5 to 10 duplicate buttons you can make. Then after that we need to change the color of these costumes. Okay, just go to this fill option and you can choose your favorite colors. Here I am taking this purple and then I am taking this green color, then change this as a pink color. Okay, so your favorite colors you can use. Okay, here, yes, just slide this, use this slider so that you can change this color easily. Okay, according to your need. Okay, almost done. The last one, yes. Okay, now just below this, okay, clone of myself, you need to use next costume. Next costume you can take it from the looks block. Wow, see, these are the colorful blocks buttons you can see here. Yes, we have taken. Done. Now click on this green flag. Yes, then use space bar to move this ball. Okay, now use this ball, set as a front layer, set as a front layer, click on the front layer. Now yes, okay, done. Now the next thing that is, suppose this ball will touch these buttons, so that particular button will disappear and this ball will comes to the opposite direction. Okay, so for that we need to use one script, so that is the little bit not difficult. Yes, that the easy one. See, you can see how we will do. So see that, yes, when I start as a clone, okay, from the control block you can take this script, and when you start as a clone we need to give one condition. Yes, that is if touching, if touching what, yes, if touching, if this ball will touch these buttons. Okay, so keep it here, ball. Okay, if this ball will touch, then what we need to do, we need to delete that button. Okay, delete the clone. Yes, you have to delete that clone and give this forever to this script. Okay, biggest chocolate. Now see, yeah, perfect. Yes, when this ball will touch that particular block, that particular button, it is disappearing and it is coming back. Okay, yes, done. Here we need to change this mouse pointer, okay, paddle mouse pointer as a button. Okay, yes, as a button. That's why, yes, now it is coming back. You can see, yeah, it is touching here and coming back. Yay, yes, now it is working perfectly. You can see here, yes, it is touching and coming back. Wow, yay. Okay, now for these buttons we need to use some variables. Okay, so before that I am using this sound option. Okay, so go to this sound tab and from here use sound option. Okay, I am increasing the volume of this PC. So go to code, and if this touching this ball, okay, if touching this ball to that button, we need to start sound pop. Okay, yes, so when this ball will touch that particular button, it will start that sound pop, pop. Okay, yes, so almost we have done this. Now we need to create variables. Okay, you have to make a variable from the variable option. Yes, that is block. So here we have 50 blocks, so make a variable block. Here we can store the total number of blocks. Okay, it will give the total number of block numbers. Then see, we need to change this block. Okay, change this block by -1. Why? When this ball will touch that particular block, it will disappear, so that block should be decrease, okay, on the screen. That is why we have taken this block -1. Here we have taken this speed also, so that we can increase the speed of this ball. That is why we have taken this speed variable. Here we have taken two variables, that is block and speed. Speed for the speed and block for counting the blocks. So click on this green flag. We have taken this green flag from this events, and here I am taking one conditional loop. If, that is, if I am taking, yes, if this ball will touch this line. Which line? That is red line. Yes, if this ball will touch this red line, that last down one, okay, we need to broadcast one message. Yeah, here we are taking end message and code. Here broadcast, we are broadcasting end code. So when this ball will touch this line, it will broadcast this end. Okay, then for this pedal also we have done. Now go to backdrop. Here this is the starting background. Now I am taking the another background, so that is boardwalk. Here I have taken the second background. You can see, yes, it is importing. Here you can see the second one. Okay, so for this stage we need to write one script. When green flag, we need that background, that is star background we need. Okay, so when green flag, click, go to looks. Okay, go to looks and use switch background to stars, and use this forever chocolate, so that every time we don't need to give command. Yes, then when I receive end, that end code, when we receive that end code, we need to switch the background to boardwalk. Yes, this is the second background we have taken this. So when I receive that end, we need to take switch backdrop to boardwalk and then stop this script. Yes, so stop this script, stop all, stop this program. Okay, you can see we have taken this and code for this second background. Then these scripts we are writing for the stage, for the backdrop. So now here I am taking the another one. Okay, scroll down, and this third one I have taken. It is importing. Yes, you can see here. Okay, done. So this is the next background. Here we have taken three backgrounds. Okay, one for the winning, one for the lose. If you lose the program, if you lose the game, then we will use these particular backgrounds. Okay, yes. Then go to variable, and yes, here we have we will taking speed. Okay, in the beginning we are taking speed to 5. Okay, and then you can see here we have set the block to the 0. Okay, in the beginning, and then you have to change block by, you can see this, we have taken these scripts from the variable. Okay, yes. Now see, on the screen you can see the block variable and speed is 5, and block here we have taken, we have 50 blocks. So in each row 10 blocks. Okay, and we have taken 5 columns. Okay, 5 rows we have taken and 10 columns. Okay, 5 rows, you can see here, 5 rows and 10 columns, you can see. And also you can remove this block and this speed variable. Okay, from this variables you have to uncheck these boxes, and you can remove these variables from the stage. Okay, yes, here you can see. Yeah, perfect. When this ball is touching this red line, this end point, it is not working now. Okay, it will stop the program. So this background you can edit. Okay, you can write, like you can whatever message you want to give to the audience, like better luck next time, or oh hey you lose the program, or game over, whatever you want to show in front of the audience, you can use that text. Okay, like here I have taken better luck next time, try again. So just using this text block, you can see towards your left hand side T. Okay, this tool, using this text tool, you can resize this text also, you can rotate, you can change the color also for this text. So change the color so that it will visible, it will clearly visible. Yes, I am changing. Better luck next time. Done. Then I am writing try again. Okay, then better luck next time and try again. This is the starting background. When we start this program, it will take this background, this starts background. Then if you lose the program, if you lose the game, then it will show this, and this is the last one if you won this game. So here you can write your text, your message you want to give. Great, you won the game. So you can resize, you can change the color. Yes, just reset this text on the screen. Yes, just change the position. You can resize so that you can see this easily. Little bit, yeah. Perfect, done. Great, you won the game. Done. So when we click on the green flag, see the interface. Now here we need to change. Okay, here I am taking one. Okay, only one row I am taking so that we can check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, so once it will touch all these blocks, whether it is showing you on the game, that background will appear or not, we are checking that. So for that purpose we have taken this only one row. You can change the speed also. Okay, now two more blocks left here. Now here, yes, one left. Okay, let okay, just the last one. Just missed. Now you can see, okay, all the blocks are disappear, but we haven't received that background that is hey you won the game. So for that, go to backdrop. Okay, we need to go to backdrop and we need to write that one script, that is when this block equals to 0 it will appear the third background, that is hey you won the game. So for that script we need to give one condition. So go to events, use green flag, then go to control and use this if then else. So go to operators and use equals to, yes. Now go to variables, block equals to 0, remove that 50 and insert 0. Okay, then switch to background, this third one. Okay, yes, set this third background as, then yes, stop all script we need to write. So when block equals to 0 then it will change the backdrop and stop this script. Now see, now let's check. Okay. Okay, 5 more blocks left. Yeah, ping pong. Yes, few more seconds. 3 blocks left. Our main goal is when these blocks will disappear now, all the blocks, then we need to show that background, that is, hey, you won the game. So let's check. Yes, great, you won the game. Done. So this is our program.